Building a simple affiliate portal for your product is easier than it seems, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to set one up. If you want to start earning commissions through affiliates or streamline your current affiliate process, stay tuned because this guide will cover everything from start to finish. First things first, you'll need the right software for this. After trying out the most popular platforms out there, I've narrowed it down to the one I'm recommending today. And don't worry, you'll get an exclusive free trial to follow along in the description below, but more on that at the end. For now, let's dive in. Start by signing up for the software we're using today. Once you're in, create a new product or select an existing one that you want to promote through affiliates. The first step is always setting up your affiliate program parameters, things like commission percentages, payout structures, and how you'll track affiliate performance. This software makes it really easy to set all of that up. Next, customize your affiliate portal. Most affiliate software lets you personalize the portal so it matches your brand. Add your logo, tweak the colors, and make sure it looks professional. You want your affiliates to feel like they're part of a well-established program. Once your portal looks good, it's time to add the key features. Sign-up forms for new affiliates, tracking links, and referral tracking. Affiliates will need a way to register for your program, and this software will create an easy sign-up process. After registration, they'll get their own unique referral links to track sales and commissions. Now, let's talk about integrating payment options. You want affiliates to get paid, right? Our software supports multiple payment methods, so you can choose what works best for you. PayPal, direct deposit, whatever it is. This integration will save you time when it's time to pay out. After setting up the payment method, make sure you're providing your affiliates with enough support and resources. Upload marketing materials like banners, links, and even email templates that they can use to promote your product. This makes it easier for them to succeed, which means more success for you. Next, let's go over the tracking and reporting features. It's crucial to keep an eye on affiliate performance. The software gives you detailed reports on how many clicks each affiliate is driving, how many sales they're closing, and how much commission they've earned. This transparency helps both you and your affiliates stay on top of everything. Once the setup is complete, don't forget to send a welcome email to your new affiliates. Include all the information they'll need to get started, like how to use their links, payment details, and any helpful tips to maximize their success. Key takeaway: building a simple affiliate portal for your product doesn't have to be complicated. With the right software, you can create a streamlined affiliate system that's easy to manage, helps your affiliates succeed, and grows your sales. So, if you want to follow along, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial of the software we're using today from the link in the description. In review, you've signed up for the software, customized your portal, added sign-up forms, set up payments, uploaded resources for affiliates, and started tracking results. That's all you need to build a simple affiliate portal and start generating revenue. Don't forget to grab that free trial from the description and get started with building your own affiliate portal today.